Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, want to let you know about an upcoming event that I'm planning on being at, and it's going to be an opportunity that you guys, my viewers, can come out and meet myself as well as several other YouTubers, Instagrammers, and so forth. And that's going to be at the second annual Good of the Land Fest 2019, which is going to be held Saturday, October 26, 2019. It's going to be held a little bit different location this year. It's going to be in Temple, Texas, at the Texas Early Days Tractor and Engine Association Showgrounds. So just a little bit north of Austin, Texas, kind of between there and Dallas. I think closer to Austin side of that, but anyway, really cool location that they're going to be hosting it at this year. And guys, looks like they got a really good slate of people coming out, YouTubers, Instagrammers, so forth, that you can have an opportunity to come out and meet, as well as see all the many demonstrations and all the really cool things that will be going on. There's going to be blacksmithing, woodworking, campfire cooking, metal casting, welding, painting, pottery, animal husbandry, antique tools, restoration, operation, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of activities going on at this year's event. So who's planning on being there? According to the website, and I think this is just a partial list, but who he's got featured on here is Eric over at Hand Tool Rescue. Got a chance to meet Eric last year. And really enjoyed getting to meet him. I've watched a lot of his content on YouTube. Andrew Alexander, Andrew's over at Blacksmith Tools. He is on Instagram. Also met Andrew last year, and Andrew and I have actually become very good friends since then, and we kind of feed each other's addictions a little bit now. We trade stuff back and forth quite a bit. Jimmy DiResta, never met Jimmy. I've talked to him on the phone. I've emailed with him a couple of times on some different things, but never had a chance to meet him, so I'm really looking forward to meeting Jimmy. My good buddy Adam Booth at A-Bomb79 down in Florida is planning on coming. Of course, Justin at Good of the Land. Stan Zinkowski, Barzy Industrial. Stan's who hosts the Barzy Summer Bash every year. And always look forward to seeing Stan. Dale Derry over at Build Something Cool. Dale's also planning on being there, a good friend of mine. Liam, who is the Forged in Fire champion, is planning on being there. Hoffman Blacksmithing. I think he's going to be doing some demonstrations. Doug at SV Seeker. Doug is the guy who is building the big metal ship in his backyard. Absolutely crazy dude. I got to meet him last year, and I've watched a lot of his content over the years as well. Stephen Cox. Stephen does a lot of mechanicking type videos on YouTube, and I've met him last year and also down in Florida at the Flywheelers event down there. Jim Boldinger, my good buddy Jim down in Florida. Do Right Fabrication, he's planning on being there. Texas Boys on YouTube, Roy at Christ-Centered Ironworks, Ray Caniglia at Ray's Garage. Ray I've met several times out at the Barzy Bash, and he's making the trip this year. And then Blake at Daddy Curb Farms. And also, not on the list, but I happen to know because I was talking to him the other day, Mike Wiggins at the Backyard Machine Shop. And I know many of you guys have actually been asking me about Mike. He hasn't posted anything on YouTube in a while. He is doing just fine and well. He's just been tied up with some other stuff and has gotten behind on his YouTubing, but I think he's getting ready to start posting some stuff back. We've been giving him a hard time. But anyway, Mike Wiggins at Backyard Machine Shop is planning on being out there this year. And anyway, going to have a really good turnout, a lot of good folks. And for me, the highlight of the event is just opportunity to meet my viewers. Last year, my word, there were so many people I got to shake hands with and talk to. It was just unbelievable. And I'm really looking forward to that again this year. So again, the dates is Saturday, October 26, 2019. Starts at 9 a.m., shuts down at 5 p.m. in Temple, Texas at the Texas Early Days Tractor and Engine Association Showgrounds. If you want to come, you need to register. Go to the website, thegoodoftheland.com, right down here. See it? I've also got a link to it in my description of this video. You can click on the link. It'll take you right there to it. There's a Good of the Land Fest link on the homepage. Click on that, and there are links there where you can pre-register ahead of time and get your tickets to get into the show. So, guys, with that, again, looking forward to seeing a lot of you guys out there. Hope some folks are going to be able to make it this year, and I cannot wait. It's going to be a total blast. And with that, that's going to be a wrap on this one. As always, thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys at the Good of the Land Fest 2019.